Hi, kindergarten. We've been talking a lot about number bonds and breaking up different numbers. And I know that our last lesson we did, you watched a different teacher break up the number 10 using beads on a bracelet as well as using cubes. Today we're going to do something really similar, but I'm going to tell you a story, and you're going to represent that story using cubes. Just like always, we are going to want to end up writing with a number bond. So if you want to go ahead and draw a number bond right here, or if you want to get out your number bond organizer, you can absolutely do that. I'm going to get you started on the screen, but then this is something that you're actually going to do by yourself, okay? So here's the story. The kindergartner class was going to go on a picnic together. We were all really hungry, so we brought a lot of sandwiches and fruits and vegetables. But the next thing you know, some ants came over to the picnic and decided that they were hungry too. There were 10 ants that came to our picnic. What do you think I should use to represent the ants? Well, if I know anything about ants, it's that they're usually, hopefully, black, because red ants sometimes bite. So I'm going to represent the ants using these Unifix cubes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you represented these 10 ants with your own blocks as well. If you would prefer to write them on a piece of paper, draw out dots, you can represent the ants however you want. But this part of the story, you definitely want to do the same. One of the ants got really full and decided to leave the picnic. There he is there. So how many ants do I have now? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I still have 10. But now I have 9 at the picnic and 1 off by himself, and that still leaves me with 10. Pretty cool, right? This looks really similar to what we were doing earlier. Yesterday, the day before, we've been doing stuff super similar to this. That's why you're about to do this work by yourself. What do you think happens next in the story? You guessed it. Another ant decides to leave. Is this feeling familiar? So I'm going to go ahead and change my number bond so that it matches my new picture. So we know that I still have 10 ants because none of them left the page. Okay? So how many are left at our picnic? Well, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can just see with my eyes that I have 2 over here. I don't need to count those ones. So I have 8 and 2 together, and we know that makes 10. I'm not going to do the rest of these for you because you know how to do this on your own. I want you to go ahead and continue to break apart your blocks until you're all the way down to 0. Make sure you make a number bond to match your picture every time. Sounds good? Awesome job, kindergarten. Can't wait to hear about your work. See you later.